Here's some more breaking news that's coming in. In the Mahakumbh, over 50 crore devotees have taken the holy dip. Politics speaks over Mahakumbh, with the SP chief attacking Chief Minister Yogi over Mahakumbh. Akhilesh says so many died in the Kumbh stampede. Let's listen into what the SP chief has said.
मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा कि हम 100 करोड़ लोगों की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। अगर 100 करोड़ लोगों की तैयारी की होती तो भगदड़ में ना किसी की जान जाती, ना किसी के परिवार का कोई सदस्य खोता। हम लोगों ने मुख्यमंत्री जी से सीखा है कि कपड़े पहन के ही स्नान करना चाहिए। अरे हम उनसे बड़े हिंदू हैं, ये कोई बात हुई? हम वो हिंदू हैं जो सभी धर्मों को बराबर मानते हैं, सब धर्मों का इज्जत करते हैं। तो हमारा जो धर्म है ये वही है जो स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने रास्ता दिखाया था। यूनिवर्सल एक्सेप्टेंस और टॉलरेंस का हमारा हिंदू धर्म है।
My colleague Simar Chawla is joining me live on the broadcast. Simar, we are seeing that politics is continuing to escalate when it comes to the Mahakumbh stampede, and now Akhilesh Yadav, the SP chief, has hit out at the UP government, saying if preparation was done for 100 crore people, then a stampede would not have occurred. What more can you tell us about this?
Well, ever since this Kumbh has started, there have been politics going on any or the other issue. But this time what we have been seeing that Akhilesh Yadav is targeting the BJP government on the numbers that they have made official, that more than 50 crore people have taken the dip at the Holy Sangam. Now, as per Akhilesh Yadav, who has been the biggest critic of the government, he says that the number are overhyped, and if the preparations would have been done in such a manner, there would have been no stampede, would have been no people gone missing. So previously, the opposition parties have been attacking the BJP government on the mismanagement, on the stampede. But now we have been seeing that the biggest, tallest leader of Uttar Pradesh, the chief of Samajwadi Party, Akhilesh Yadav, raising serious questions on the numbers of the Prayagraj Mahakumbh. Also, he said that if the preparation would have been done for 100 crore people, there would have been no stampede. Clearly raising issues on the mismanagement. We have been seeing on his social media account, he has been raising several videos, he has been sharing several case studies in which the people at the Kumbh are facing the inconvenience. On the other hand, the BJP government has been very local and targeting the Akhilesh Yadav, saying that these are the crepe politics, these are the false allegations that has been leveled by Akhilesh Yadav on the government. The reality is the management has been going on in a very well-planned manner. Their focus is right now to give the best management to the people who have come here, from thousands of kilometers to take a holy dip at the Sangam.
Absolutely, Simar. So Akhilesh Yadav has been staunchly criticizing the Uttar Pradesh government over the alleged mismanagement at the Mahakumbh, which led to an eventual stampede.